Hi guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Welcome to a day in my life vlog. I'm shooting a day in my life after a very long time. And I'm shooting a vlog after a very long time. So yeah, I'm a little nervous. So it's not like I haven't tried making a vlog in this last 1 year. I did. बट मैं कंप्लीट ही नहीं कर पाई यार बिकॉज आई जस्ट फॉरगेट बाय द एंड ऑफ द डे दैट आई वाज मेकिंग अ व्लॉग एनीवेज ये वाला व्लॉग मैंने स्टार्ट ही इस इंटेंशन से किया है कि अभी ये व्लॉग बनने वाला है और मैं इसको रिकॉर्ड करूँगी एंड ये कंप्लीट भी करूँगी. दैट्स अ चैलेंज दैट आई एम गिविंग टू माई सेल्फ एंड या सो इट्स अ सैटरडे टुडे एंड इट्स परफेक्ट डे फॉर दिस व्लॉग आई फील बिकॉज हमारे फाइनल प्रोजेक्ट्स चल रहे हैं. सो वी हैव बीन डिवाइडेड इनटू 5 ग्रुप्स एंड ऑल ऑफ अस हैव टू मेक अ 10 मिनट शॉर्ट फिक्शन फिल्म. तो ये एक हफ्ते से शूट चल रहा है एंड आई थिंक 3 of the groups have finished shooting. 2 groups have to finish their shoot by today. Today is the last day and मेरे ग्रुप का शूट बहुत पहले ख़त्म हो गया था. सो आई हैव बीन हेल्पिंग गोइंग एंड हेल्पिंग अदर ग्रुप्स. आज भी is also like one of those days, so I thought it would be the best day to shoot this vlog and show you guys what my day looks like in a film school and what all goes behind the scenes when we are shooting a film. So far I have made like a couple of short like mini vlogs on the same thing, like showing you guys what goes behind the scenes and all of that. But I could not make a proper dedicated vlog for it. So आज हम नहीं करेंगे. Also I know, sorry, it's been a long time since I've given you guys any update as to what is happening in my life. I don't think if I've ever like made an announcement video or anything like that, not announcement but a life update sort of video where I'm telling you guys that I've moved to Mumbai. I don't think I've even done that. I moved to Mumbai last year in June and जल्द ही 1 साल हो जाएगा. And I'm doing film, television and digital media course from St. Xavier's College and it's a 10 months, 11 months course. So it's ending on the 11th of April. Like we have our convocation on 11th. Very excited for that, but I don't know, like I never really wanted this course to end. I definitely needed a break, short break, but I never wanted it to end because I have realized, and this is why I wanted to do a course in filmmaking, to realize if I actually love making films or if I actually love the whole process of making films. Because जितना हम समझते हैं दूर से कि यार फिल्म बनाना आसान है यार, ठीक है बन जाएगी, इतना भी कुछ मुश्किल नहीं है. It's not that, right? And I knew that since very start and I was like ये और बेहतर समझना है मुझे. So I wanted to like do a course on filmmaking and luckily I got into this course. I cleared their exam, interview, everything, and then I came here. And right after my graduation completed, I moved to Mumbai. And it was a very like everything was happening very fast and like suddenly everything changed and I moved to this new city. But to be honest, I feel like people here are very full of warmth. And because of that, I think मेरे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं था दोस्त बनाना, दोस्त ढूंढना. And I built a really good rapport with almost everyone in like 1 month of my course. So yeah, अभी basic update यही है. So we have some like 5 to 6 major projects. So we have like 2 projects for short fiction. The first one happened last year in September, I think September. Yeah, and then the second one, the short fiction film 2 is happening right now. The first one of the projects like in our group, I directed that film and I learned so much from that one project, from that one film. And I think all of us did because it was like all of us were making a film for the first time. It was हम सबका पहला project, तो it was a very good feeling. And then we did multiple projects. We did song picturization, ad film idea, we made documentary films, 6 documentary films. We also did corporate film and then this short fiction film. I'm very happy and glad that I could direct 2 of the main projects, and I'm just happy that I could get more, as much experience as I could of how it feels like to be a director on a set. To be honest, I really wanted to direct this project, short fiction film too. I had a couple of ideas, but then we went for some other idea, and I did sound for this project. I had very basic idea of sound, and then I learned a lot on set, so that's a good thing. But whenever we are making a project, I'm mostly interested in direction or camera, and I'm not good at production that I've realized. I'm like decent with production, and same goes for sound. I'm also, I think I've started building that interest in editing also, because it's so much easier to make a film if you know how to edit. You're very clear with your cut points, you're very clear with how you want to stitch your film, or maybe you can change a few things. If you're running late on your schedule, you can make on the spot changes. So it's always very like beneficial if you know how to edit, and if you want to be a film director, that's I think like a plus point. Alright, so आज का agenda is going to be pretty simple. अभी 11 साढ़े 11 बज रहे होंगे, I have no idea, and I'm just gonna go have my breakfast and then get ready and go to college, meet my friends, go on their set, help them. Hopefully we come back by 9 or 10. Say project start हुआ है, everyone is having like a 2-day shoot schedule, and we also had like my group also had 2 days of shooting and 2 days of night shoot. So but anyways, that's the agenda for today, and we'll just quickly go grab something to eat. I think I've shown you guys this wall, but I still want to like properly show you guys this beautiful wall that I created last year. And it has all my favorite films, the posters, and I'll show you guys each one of them. So this is Jab Harry Met Sejal. I know not a lot of people like this film, but I love it. Dear Zindagi, Barfi, wow, Tamasha. Favorite scene from that film. This is October, this is Heather, and Highway. This is something that I want to manifest. Also this, Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, Notebook, the Hindi version, yes, I love that film. Then Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, of course, and Tamasha. How can I not have this film on this wall? And then Jab We Met. Clearly you can see that I'm a big Imtiaz Ali fan. I also have one poster of Laila Majnun here. ये गिर गया था तो मैंने अभी अपने डेस्क पे लगाया है. दिस इज़ माई डेस्क बाय द वे. और मैंने बहुत कोशिश की है इसको एक फिल्म मेकर के डेस्क जैसा बनाने की, बट आई डोंट नो इफ इट लुक्स लाइक दैट, बट इट्स ओके. सो दीज लिटिल कॉर्नर्स ऑफ माई रूम, आई लव देम, एंड yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna go have breakfast now. Outfit for today, black and black. Mostly on shoot days, this is what I wear, like black and black. And this is the same top that I wore in the morning because abhi tak ganda nahi hua, I can wear it again. And anyway, shoot pe jaake काफी गंदा होने वाला है. So yes, I am all ready. I'm gonna pack my bag and then leave for college. Alright, so the bag is finally packed and I can leave for college now. But before that, I have to quickly put my camera batteries on charge. क्योंकि मैं सोच रही हूँ कि कल संडे और कल एक फोटो वॉक किया जाए. Let's see if I can make that plan happen. But I've been wanting to go to Dadar Parsi Colony for a photo walk early in the morning, and tomorrow is a Sunday, so I think that would be the perfect day for it. Before college ends, I need to go on that photo walk. Let's see if I can make that happen. But for now, अभी camera की battery charge करते हैं and let's leave for college. So I have a Nikon Coolpix camera. These are the batteries, and I have a very like जुगाड़ू kind of a charger for them because उसका original charger कब का ख़राब हो चुका है. So this is the charger, and you attach the batteries here and then you put them on charge. ये बहुत difficult है. Okay, you know how I do it. So when you see this red light, that means that it is connected properly. Okay, so that you see that light blinking there, that means it's charging. So I'll do the same for the other battery as well. Sorry for this weird angle, but alright, so I'm finally in college. बड़ी शांति है तो मेरे को धीरे बात करनी पड़ रही है. So I'm in college finally and यहाँ पे कुछ तो shooting चल रही है. We'll probably go and see what's happening and what shoot is going on. जो हमारे खुद के shoot के अलावा some production houses come to shoot something. So that is happening. अभी ज़्यादा कुछ काम नहीं है. So अभी हम lunch करेंगे and then we'll figure out कहाँ पे क्या ज़रूरत है and then we'll go help them, like the teams, and that's like it. It's really hot outside. Okay, so we are done with lunch. I'm done with lunch and I'm going to the first set and see if they need any help, and I'll just show you guys what goes behind the scenes if I can. And I don't know where they're shooting, I guess. Okay, it's here. So I've reached the location now. Let's go and see. सिटी डायरेक्टर ये हमारे डीओपी सर हैं त्रिपुर इसलिए नॉन प्रोडक्शन that's our faculty Karanbari sir. guys, I'm back from their set. उनका काम काफ़ी स्मूथली अभी चल रहा है, उनको ज़्यादा हेल्प की अभी नीड नहीं है. सो आई डिसाइडेड टू गो टू द अदर सेट. Say hello to me. Hi. Guys, this is the second set. This is basically our classroom, Satyajit Ray, जहाँ पे हमारे सारे lectures होते हैं, classes होती हैं. अभी हम यहीं का set बनाने वाले हैं, club setup, and people have started working already, and now I'm gonna join them.
नहीं चाहिए आप इतना सीजन
for a chai break. Now we are going back. मेरे से एक छोटी सी गड़बड़ी हो गई यार सेट पे, छोटी एक्चुअली काफ़ी बड़ी. तो अभी आई एम लॉट ऑफ गिल्ट एंड मूड बड़ा ख़राब हो गया. So we are going to the first set. Hi guys, low light video, but update time. So the shoot is going on. Last 45 minutes बचे हैं. They have to wrap by 10 and it's 9:15. And this group has just started rolling. I think they are done with 2 shots maybe. तो 2 shots इनके हो गए. इनके total 11 shots जो इन्हें complete करना है. I think they will like complete it in time, and then the other group, I think they are going like pretty like smooth. I don't think उनका बहुत issue है. So that was the update, and I was thinking that I would go back home by 9:30, 10, but I think I'll have to just stay back for them. Like they will need help in pack up also. So let's see when I can get back home. But yeah, बहुत बुरी light है यार यहाँ. But yeah, that's the update. And I don't think I could show you guys a lot, like what actually happens on a set. I really wanted to like go on set and show you guys every single thing, but it's just not possible because most of the time जब शूट चल रहा होता है तो सब शेड्यूल से पीछे होते हैं and then they are all rushing. तो दैट्स अ रीज़न, बट आई स्टिल ट्राई. कुछ लोग आ गए हैं और मैं ऑकवर्ड हो गई हूँ. बट या दैट्स द अपडेट फॉर नाउ.
जब देखो वीडियो बनाती रहती है.
वाओ,
वही तो तू ही तो बनेगी डीओपी अब.
क्या बनो तुम दोनों. हाँ, सूट करता है तुझे हार देखे तो.
हाँ.
दुष्णांत सर ने बोल दिया डैशिंग लग रहा
कौन तू?
ये पहन के
है. हाँ, सुबह वो भी बोला था कि मैंने हाइट पहनी थी, वो भी बोलता वेस्टर्न में मस्त लगी मेरे साथ.
अरे तुम तो वैसे पायरेट लगते हो गए.
वन सेकेंड.
बोला हूँ. मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था शायद इतनी गंदी बच्ची है. वो तो सीधी खड़ी नहीं हो रही. चल, आपने कहाँ देखना है अब? दीदी को. यस, तो अब वही करेंगे. फोटो शूट ही तो हो रहा है. अब कैमरा में नहीं आना है. कैमरा में आना है. कैमरा में नहीं आना तो आना पड़ेगा अब तो भाई. देख ऐसे ही है ना. बाकी तो
Guys, so that's the after backup scenes, and one of the biggest, काफ़ी भारी लाइट की वो आ रही है. Done, the backup is done. Everything जो भी नीचे था वो सब कुछ ऊपर ला चुके हैं, and now it's finally back up. Okay, and now that's about it for this day. I don't know where to end this vlog. I'll probably end it here only. हार्दिक पीछे से आ रहे हैं, पक्का मुझे परेशान अच्छा लगा. So guys, that's about it for this vlog. I hope you guys had a good time watching it. I look so dirty, and I'll quickly go back home and take a shower, eat something and go to bed. And I'm very tired, but it was a fun day. Yes, I did a mistake. किसी का फ़ोन टूट गया मेरे से. But other than that, the day was good. And that's about it. I'll end this vlog here. Maybe in the next video, I hope I get to make many more films and work on many more film projects. And I hope I become a good, big film director. Manifesting that for myself. And I'll see you guys soon in the next one. Bye bye.